In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or wire chemistry problems under energy changes. So guys, we have about 17 to 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following reactions are always isothermic? So we have neutralization, we have decomposition, we have combustion. So guys, the right answer will be neutralization and combustion. Option A. Alright, so that's the answer to this question. The next subject question will be this one. It says, consider the following reaction equation. Which of the following statements about the reaction is correct? So we have 198 kilojoule of energy is absorbed. So guys, for information, this is endothermic reaction because the value of delta H is plus. So when it's plus, value is endothermic. When the negative value is isothermic. So in endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed from the environment, whereas in isothermic reaction, heat is released or liberated to the environment. So option B. So this is endothermic, that means heat is absorbed, right? We are asked which of the following statements about the reaction is correct. The reaction container would feel warm. 198 kilojoule of energy is given off. The reaction is isothermic. So right answer is option A. 198 kilojoule of energy is absorbed. Since it's endothermic, delta H is a plus value. Alright, so it's endothermic, and in endothermic heat is absorbed. So the right answer is option A. Next question will be this one. It says if the value of delta H for a reaction is negative, it means that the reaction is what? Isothermic. Option D. Very simple. Next question will be this one. It says an isothermic reaction is one which involves evolution of gas as it proceeds, loss of heat to the surrounding. Yeah, so the right answer is option B. Isothermic reaction involves loss of heat to the surrounding. Heat is being liberated or given up to the surrounding. Next question is this one. It says, which of the following statement is true about endothermic reaction? Heat is absorbed from the environment. Yes. The heat content of the product is more than that of the reactant. Yes. The enthalpy change is positive. Yes. The surrounding is at a lower temperature than the system. Yes. So all of them are correct. So that means the right answer is option D. That's for this question. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following are required in an experiment to determine the enthalpy of solution of anhydrous copper 2 sulfate? So we have mass of the anhydrous copper 2 sulfate, volume of the water in which the copper 2 sulfate is dissolved, initial temperature of the water, final temperature of the water. So the right answer will be the one that contains all of them will be required. So the right answer is option C. Alright, next question will be this one. It says, consider the energy profile diagram below and use it to answer this question. So enthalpy change of the reaction is represented by, so guys, the right answer to this question will be option B, X. So the enthalpy change is the X value. Alright, so that's it for this question. Enthalpy change is the heat content of the chemical reaction. Okay, so the next question will be this one. It says, when ammonium chloride is dissolved in water, the container feels cold to touch. This implies ammonium chloride forms a saturated solution. This is isothermic. Ammonium chloride is highly soluble in water. The process is endothermic. So the right answer is option D, which is the process is endothermic. Very important. Next question is this one. It says, the diagram below represents the reaction profile for an isothermic reaction. Which of the following the P, Q, and R represents? So our P is our activated complex, our Q is our activation energy, and our R is our heat of reaction. So the right answer is option B, activated complex, activation energy, and heat of reaction. So that's it for this question. Next question is this one. So guys, before I attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says, when a reaction is endothermic, heat content of reactant is less than the heat content of the product. Yeah, the reaction is not spontaneous. Enthalpy change is negative. No, heat content of product is less than heat content of reactant. No, so right answer is option B, A. Heat content of reactant is less than heat content of product. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements about the endothermic reaction is correct? So the right answer is option D. Heat energy is absorbed. That's for this question. Next question is this one. It says, the type of energy change that accompanies the emission of strong acid to a strong base is heat. Alright, option A is obvious. Next question is this one. It says, the energy involved when magnesium bonds in air is in the form of light and heat. Very important, option D. Next question with this one. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, heat is absorbed and the reaction is exothermic. No. Involved and the reaction is endothermic. No. Involved and the reaction is exothermic. Yes. Right answer is option C. Very important, guys. Take note of this question. Next of the question with this one. It says, consider the reaction. The energy change taking place in the reaction above is enthalpy of neutralization. So guys, this is basically neutralization. Remember, water is being formed from hydrogen ion and hydroxy ion. So water is neutral. So the right answer is option C, guys. Next question will be this one. So it says, in the energy profile diagram below, which letter represents the activation energy for the reverse reaction energy? So the right answer is option X. X represents activation energy. Right, this question is simple. Next question will be this one. It says, consider the following energy profile diagram of the exothermic reaction. The enthalpy change in H is, so guys, the enthalpy change here will be, our product value is 20, our reactant value is 80. So what you're going to do is 20 minus 8, you're going to have minus 60 kilojoule per mole. So the right answer is option A. This is meant to be minus 60 and not 60. It's meant to be a negative value since it's exothermic. Alright, so just a slight error in sign convention, but the answer is A. The last question for end this video with this one. It says, the energy profile diagram illustrates. So guys, they didn't put the energy profile diagram here, but on paper, when that's the manual pass question I practice with to compare with the one here, they drew it here. So maybe a slight error in these aspects of the question in the digital format. So the energy profile diagram that is meant to be here is exothermic reaction, option C. Alright, so that's it for this question. This basically can do problems involving energy changes for your WASSCE chemistry practice with about 17 to 20 of the questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more these videos. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'm sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. I'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.